Okay, so we're going to be looking for moose today using our Wildlife Drives app. And so we will go to Summer Hooves, and we click on that. And under the main category, it is telling you where the closest locations are to where you are. And so we are currently right off of the bridge in Moose. And so if we click Moose at Moose, because that's what I want to see, it says, as you approach Moose, look on both sides of the road and the bridge. Moose may be standing in the river, resting under the trees, or running across the open space. Now, as I said before, we are right in Moose, so we could use the map to pinpoint it, but we are already here. And as we look across, right on the other side of the bridge, we have a moose.